All right, good morning. Starting the day off here because, of course, I did not press the buttons correctly on my coffee pot this morning or last night. It's early. So when I didn't do that, of course, I got up this morning and my coffee pot did not automatically set. So we're gonna K-cup it today. I'm gonna go ahead and I still have my robe on. I did take a shower, but I'm gonna go ahead and start to fill my coffee, but this one doesn't fit under here, so I'm gonna do a couple of nice mug size coffees and get my coffee cup filled up, and then I'm gonna head downstairs and work. So just wanted to share with you, I'm going to do this today. I've got the pumpkin, let me just move this out of the way for you. I've got the pumpkin cinnamon roll sweetener, and I'm going to throw in my coffee mate for the, just to make it creamy. And then what I will do is call that one point and, sorry for the yawn, come back and show you what I'm having for breakfast. I think you already have an idea if you've seen my meal prep video, but stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm having. Well, good morning officially now. So I'm getting ready to have my breakfast, and you guys, if you guessed it right and you watched my meal prep, you know that I'm having my egg bake, and this is a onion, potato, ham, egg, and Gruyere cheese bake. Here, kind of get you a better view of what that looks like. And this piece here is going to be 2 points. So I'm going to have a banana with that. And then I grabbed a bottle of water and my orange drink. This one, I'm telling you, really tastes like orange juice. I mean, the more I drink it, the more I like it. So if you can find this at your local Walmart, definitely pick this up because it's so good. And 0 points. I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. I also have my water here. I had my coffee here somewhere. I must have carried it off. Maybe I took it in the bathroom. I still haven't done my hair yet, but I just figured it was good enough for just to kind of chit chat with you for a minute. That's probably where it's at. It's probably in the bathroom. Tell me you carry your coffee cup everywhere with you too. I totally do it all the time, and then I lose it. It's thank goodness I keep it in my larger mug, because otherwise it would totally get cold. So not a whole lot going on today. I've got my granddaughter. You can see Hunter in the background. He loves my treadmill. He likes to roll around on the rough part. He makes me laugh. So my granddaughter is coming over later. I have one of my grandchildren here. Avery. Allison is here. Allison. So Allison is here. I'm picking up Avery later. And if you guys didn't already hear, grandbaby number 5 came, and I'll put a picture of him here. Kristen, I'm not sure if Kristen will kill me. I'm sure it's okay to make a big social media blast since we already put it on Facebook, but he arrived on Tuesday, so he's a week old today. So super love him already, just love him. Love all my grandchildren, don't get me wrong, but you know, babies, oh, love babies. So, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast now, and then I will check in with you later. Nothing really to share. I'm just working down here in my little work area. I do like it. Like I said before, I think I talked about it in my meal prep video, that having this dedicated workspace, huge difference for me, because it definitely separates work from life, which really helps. So all right, I'm gonna get back to work and eat my breakfast, and I will check in with you at lunch. If you watched my meal prep, I think it's gonna be a meal prep day. So if you watch my meal prep, I did go ahead and make some cilantro, lime, rice, chicken, veggie, black bean bowls, I guess is what we're gonna call this one. But I was going to put cilantro on this, and they didn't have cilantro at the grocery store, so I bought the cilantro salsa, and it's just regular salsa. No, I mean, just 0 smart points for that, all plans. And then I cut up a lime, so I'm going to squeeze some lime juice on it. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this through. I'm going to throw some salsa on it. and have this for lunch, and then I'm going to have an apple for a snack. I don't know about you, but if I have something that's a little spicy or, you know, savory, I always want something sweet. So I've been trying to back that up with an apple, you know, or a piece of fruit to make, just to make it easier. So that's going to be my lunch today. So I'm going to go ahead and make that, and I'll stick a picture in after to show you what it looks like with the salsa. Okay, I thought a video would be much better, so I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze my lime right over it. And I don't know, it just kicks it up a notch when I do this. And I did roll my lemon before I cut it into pieces, so I'm just going to go ahead and give that a good little squeeze. My hands will smell like lime.
You said lemon.
My granddaughter's over there laughing. She's like, Nana, you said lemon. I always say lemon when I'm thinking lime. So lime, 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 lime. All right, so that's what we're going to eat for lunch today. Oh, and I also had a meeting earlier, and I went ahead and when I was doing the meeting, I went ahead and jumped on the treadmill for a half hour. So I did get a half hour of activity in today too. So go me. Pretty excited that I didn't take the lazy way out and just sit through the meeting. So, all right, I'm going to enjoy lunch and I will be back. I just made myself a nice hot cup of tea. I put in a splash of almond milk, so I'm going to sit here and wait for this to steep a little bit, and then I'm going to enjoy this cup of tea for my next meeting. So 0 points for that. So I think that I am at 3 points for breakfast, and then 1 point for lunch, I think is where I'm at. So 4 points for the day so far, so not too bad. I did get a couple of snacks in. But now, like I said, I'm just going to enjoy this hot cup of tea. I got a little chill. I think that, you know, after the workout, I got all overheated and then sitting in the basement, and I didn't have my heater going. So now that I have my heater going, it's a little better in here. But nice hot cup of tea, you can't go wrong with that. So I'm going to enjoy this, and then I will be back. All right, it's time for a snack. I'm going to have 1 package of these ranch veggie snaps. It is 2 points per bag on all plans. And honestly, of all the WW snacks, this one is totally my favorite. So snack 2 points, and I'll put it in my tracker. I think I said 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 points. You guys know math is not my strong suit. So anyway, I think I'm at 6 points for the day. I think I have 10 left. So I have 9 or 10 left if, you know, if my brain's working right. So I'll keep it all on my tracker and keep you posted later. So we decided to have pasta for dinner. So I made the kids spaghetti with meatballs, and I made myself an Alfredo chicken primavera, I want to call it. So this is the sauce that I used today, the roasted garlic Alfredo. I think this was 3 points for 1/3 cup. And then I have I want to say it's a Parmesan panko crusted chicken breast. I got it at Aldi. I'll try to remember to get a picture of the bag, but it was 5 points for the chicken breast. So 5 plus the 3 makes my dinner 8. So if you have not picked up some of this Classico, 2 points for a 1/4 cup, and then 3 points for a 1/3 cup. And that was plenty for my pasta there. So super excited to dig in. It's going to be a huge dinner. It's going to be super filling. And I think that's it. I think I'm sitting at 11 points now for the day. So I still have 5 points left. So stay tuned, because I'm definitely having a snack later. Okay, so I just thought I would close up today's vlog and wrap things up. Looks like I'm going to end the day at 13 points. I thought I had 5 points left. Totally did not. I had forgotten to track my ranch veggie straws. And once I got those in the tracker, I had 3 points left. So I'm going to end the day on purple, 13 points. And I thought I was going to have another snack, but totally not hungry. And I'm not going to have a snack just to have a snack. So not hungry at all. That whole wheat, whole grain pasta, I don't remember which one I had today, but it was one of the two. It just keeps me full so long. And having that extra chicken and all those extra veggies on it, it was the perfect dinner. I mean, just perfect. So rounding out today, 13 points. Hopefully I showed you guys something new. Like I said, I did have a couple of things for my meal prep. I'll make sure that I I link that below, so if you didn't see that, it's the video before this one, and it's super easy to find, but I'll try to remember to link that below as well. So with that said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for today's video, leave me some comments below, and we will see you next video.